My consistency in learning English. My name is Sarah. I am a 22-year-old girl from a small town. I was always shy and quiet. When I was in school, I liked to study, but I was afraid to speak English. I thought English was very hard, and I made many mistakes. My classmates laughed when I spoke, so I stopped trying. But deep in my heart, I wanted to speak English well. After school, I started college. Many subjects were in English. I could understand a little, but speaking was still hard. I felt sad when I saw others speaking easily. One day, my teacher said, if you want to learn English, be consistent. Try every day, don't stop. That sentence stayed in my mind. So, I made a promise to myself. I will learn English with consistency. Even if it is hard, I will not give up. Week 1. The beginning. I started small. Every morning, I woke up 30 minutes earlier. I watched a short English video on YouTube and tried to repeat the sentences. I wrote down the words I did not understand. In the evening, I listened to English podcasts while walking. It was not easy. I made mistakes. I forgot words, but I kept trying. Week 2. Making a routine. I made a daily routine. In the morning, I practiced listening. In the afternoon, I read one English page from a book. At night, I wrote 5 sentences in English about my day. I also made labels for my room. I wrote, mirror, bed, window, and pasted them. Every day, I looked at them and repeated the words. Slowly, I started remembering new vocabulary. Week 3. Speaking practice. This week, I wanted to speak more. But I was still shy. So, I talked to myself in front of the mirror. I asked, how are you? And answered, I am fine. I talked about the weather, my clothes, or my family. Then I found an app where people practice speaking English together. I joined and spoke with a girl from India. She was kind. She also made mistakes, just like me. We laughed and helped each other. Week 4. Facing challenges. Some days were difficult. I felt tired or busy. Sometimes I forgot to practice. One day, my phone was not working, and I couldn't use my English app. I felt sad, but I remembered my promise, be consistent. So, I took my old English book and read a chapter aloud. I didn't stop. That day, I felt proud. Month 2. Confidence growing. Now, I could understand more. When I watched English videos, I caught many words. I could write short stories. I even posted a video of me speaking English on Instagram. My friends were surprised. Wow, Sarah, your English is so good now, they said. I smiled. I was not perfect, but I was better. My confidence was growing. Month 3. Helping others. My younger sister also wanted to learn English. She asked, can you help me? I said, yes. I made simple flashcards and played games with her. We watched English cartoons and spoke in short sentences. Helping her made me feel strong. I realized I was not just learning, I was teaching. Month 4. Joining an English class. I joined a free online English class. We had grammar lessons, conversation sessions, and writing practice. I met learners from Pakistan, Egypt, and Brazil. Everyone had the same dream, to speak English. I spoke in front of the class. I made mistakes, but the teacher smiled and said, good job, Sarah. You are improving. That made me so happy. Month 5. A big step. I applied for a part-time job as a virtual assistant. The interview was in English. I was nervous, but I prepared for it. Thank you. I practiced common questions. Tell me about yourself. Why do you want this job? What are your strengths? In the interview, I spoke clearly. I used simple words. I didn't panic. After 2 days, I got a message, you are hired. I cried tears of joy. Month 6. Looking back. It had been 6 months. Every day, I gave 30 to 60 minutes to English. Some days I was tired, some days I was excited. But I was always consistent. Now, I can speak to foreigners, write emails, and understand English movies. I am not fluent yet, but I am on the way. Lessons I learned. 1. Start small. At first, don't try to do too much. One step at a time is okay. 2. Be consistent. Do a little every day. It's better than doing a lot once and then stopping. 3. Make mistakes. Don't be afraid. Mistakes are part of learning. 4. Use what you learn. Speak, write, listen, and read in English every day. 5. Stay motivated. Watch inspiring stories, talk to people who support you. 6. Celebrate small wins. Clap for yourself when you learn a new word or finish a video. My dream is to become an English teacher one day. I want to help girls in villages learn English. I want to show them that with consistency, they can achieve anything. English is not just a language. It gave me confidence. It opened new doors. It made me believe in myself. Conclusion. My consistency in learning English changed my life. I started as a shy girl who could not speak a word. Now I speak, write, and dream in English. If I can do it, you can too. Just start today. Start small, be consistent, and never give up. Thank you.